Majestic giants, elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, with the African elephant being the larger of the two species. Adult males can weigh up to 14,000 pounds 6,350 kilograms and stand about 10 to 13 feet 3 to 4 meters tall at the shoulder. Remarkable memory, elephants are known for their exceptional memory. They can remember and recognize individual faces, even after several years. This cognitive ability aids them in navigating their surroundings, finding water sources, and maintaining social bonds within their tight-knit family groups. Gentle communicators, elephants communicate through a variety of vocalizations, body language, and infrasound low-frequency sounds that travel over long distances. Their elaborate communication system plays a crucial role in maintaining social cohesion within the herd, conveying emotions, and alerting others to potential threats or resources.